I believe this engine's still good. It's just being a bitch like normal. I think my heater core has a hole in it. But I'm not seeing any antifreeze inside the car. That's what the wideband is saying. A little on the rich side just because it's still warming up. I have the fan unplugged to try to get up to operating temps. Idling about 950. 11.8 to 11.9 for the air to fuel ratio at idle while it's warming up. It's like still kicking out air bubbles. Yeah, I need to flush this coolant system out. Looks like it has a bunch of crap in it. Coolant doesn't smell like gas, and normally when you have a blown water jacket, your coolant will start smelling like gas, which it doesn't, so maybe good. Still burping out a lot of air. Damn heater core. Main reason why it takes forever to bleed the heater core. It's supposed to be those big old fat hoses, but I have it necked down to an A and 6 because where your heater core is supposed to go, that's where I'm running my thermostat gauges. So instead, for your cold start, you have a little line at the back of the water pump down there, and another line right down there at the back of the engine. And that's what I have the heater core ran to. That's why my heater core is such a pain in the ass to bleed air out. But it seems like it's working good. No leaks from the new radiator. No leak from the hoses. Everything seems to be gravy down there. About 50 psi, maybe a little more. But other than that, seems to be pretty good. Yeah. Temperature is finally starting to kick in. Almost sounds like a turbo. Yep, thermostat should be kicking open pretty soon. It's a 180 degree thermostat. At 180 degrees, that's what your factory gauge is supposed to be at. When I get around the 190, 200, all the way up to the 205 mark, it's barely halfway in that gauge. Yep, thermostat kicked open, it just shot a big bubble out. Seems like starting to bleed out all the air finally. Whoa, there we go. Plug in the E-fan. Normally on your factory fuse block, see where it has the missing fuse? I wired it up to where that's what my E-fan goes to. Ow! Bitch. That's hot. Supposed to be hot. see, because it's doing that foaming effect is why I thought the engine was blown. Normally if your engine's blown, at idle, it'll be pretty much pushing up